Good morning, students. Welcome back to Max online class. I hope you are doing good. Also, I hope you are studying your lessons. We are learning Unit 1 Set Language. Today we can learn two questions, that is last example and last exercise question. Also, students, I want to inform that you have to work out the exercise 1.7 fully 1 mark questions. If you have any doubts, just you can ask the teachers during the Zoom class. Okay, now we can go to the problems. Example 1.35. The survey was conducted among 200 magazine subscribers of 3 different magazines A, B and C. Meaning is, so there are 3 types of magazine A, B, C. So there are 200 subscribers. So the survey was conducted among only the 200 subscribers. The subscribers subscribe the magazine A, B and C. It was found that 75 members do not subscribe magazine A, 100 members do not subscribe magazine B, 50 members do not subscribe magazine C, and so see this sentence. In this sentence they given that do not subscribe, okay, but first sentence we have subscribe, but in the second sentence we have do not subscribe. This number of people or subscribers do not subscribe the magazine, so we will change it later. Now 125 subscribe at least 2 of the 3 magazines. So 125 subscribers subscribe any 2 of the magazine from the 3 ABC. Okay, so we have to find number of members who subscribe exactly 2 magazine, number of members who subscribe only 1 magazine. Okay, so already they given that the subscribers as magazine as A, B, C. I give the name here in this set A, B, C. Listen, already I told you. So this is number of subscribers, okay? But in the next sentence, everything is unsubscribed. So there is unsubscribed. We have to change it. For that, I have a diagram. See, it is a tabular column. Here, we can write magazine. Next one, do not subscribe. Then subscribe. Okay, the magazine is given by A, B, C. So in this question, 75 members do not subscribe magazine A. So this column is do not subscribe. So 75 of them do not subscribe A. Next sentence, 100 members do not subscribe magazine B. So 100 do not subscribe magazine B. Then 50 members do not subscribe magazine C. So here 50. Next we have to find out what are the subscribers. It is do not subscribe. Then how will you find out subscribe? Just we can subtract the value from the total. We will get the subscribers. So you know the total is 200. So 200 minus 75 equal to, so you will get as 125. So 125 subscribers are there in magazine A. Then we have to find out the subscribers of magazine B. So from the total you have to subtract. The total is 200, then minus 100 equal to 100. So totally there are 100 subscribers in magazine B. Next we can find out the subscribers of magazine C. So totally we have 200. From that 50 of them do not subscribe. The remaining is 150. So 150 members subscribe the magazine C. So everything is in subscribe form. Okay, just we found the subscribers. So everything is in subscribe form. We can given the data in this Venn diagram. So A subscriber, then 125. B subscriber is 100. C subscriber is 150. Okay, we given everything, but we don't know this values. See, I mean those who subscribe one magazines, those who subscribe exactly two magazines, those who subscribe all the three magazines, we don't know the value. For that, I take the exact one magazine subscriber as A, B, C. Okay, then exactly two magazine subscribers I return as X, Y, Z. Then C, the three subscribers I return as R. Okay, just I take. Then when we simplify this, we will get the answer. So we can choose this method. From the Venn diagram, we can write this value and these two values. Okay, first we can start from here. So from the Venn diagram, see this sentence 120, because up to this we completed, we can start from here. Next, 125 subscribe at least two of the three magazines. So already I explained you the meaning of X, at least. So minimum they can subscribe only two magazine, but maximum the highest they may subscribe. So at least two meaning is X, Y, Z, also R. Because at least two meaning is exactly two and more than two. Exactly two means X, Y is that, then more than two is R. So that is equal to, they given that 125. So we can write number of members subscribe at least two magazine equal to 125. This is given in the question. I just written the sentence. So we can write in words using the Venn diagram. So number of members at least two magazines. I already told you at least two meaning is exactly two, also more than two. So we can write as X plus Y plus Z. This is exactly 2. Then more than 2 is R. That is equal to 125. Take it equation number 1. Okay. Now we can write this. I have to find out this in letters form using the Venn diagram. What is given? Number of members who subscribe exactly to magazine. So number of members who subscribe exact to magazine equal to this part X, Y, Z. So we can add X plus Y plus Z is known as exactly to magazine. So I written here as X plus Y plus Z. The next part we can write number of members who subscribe only one magazine. So I write here number of members who subscribe only one magazine. See this, exactly one. So exactly one part is, this is A alone, B alone and C alone. So exactly one means we have to add A plus B plus C, we will get the answer. So this is equal to A plus B plus C. Okay. Also we are going to write, we know that N of A union B union C. That means total subscribers. You know that is 200. The next one, N of A equal to, what is N of A? 125. It means number of subscribers in A magazine. Then N of B equal to 100. And also N of C equal to 150. Here we are going to use the formula N of A union B union C. For that we need N of A, N of B, N of C Also n of A intersection B, n of B intersection C, then n of A intersection C. So we are going to write everything using the Venn diagram. So next we can write n of A intersection B equal to C. N of A intersection B is, this is A, this is B. So A intersection B part is this part. So we can write that is x plus R. So x plus R is known as A intersection B. Next we can write n of B intersection C. So now this is B, this is C. So B intersection C part is this part. So the value is R and Y. So we can write R plus Y, otherwise Y plus R. Next we can find out n of A intersection C. So this is A set, B set, C set. So A intersection C part is this middle part. You know the value, that is Z plus R. Also we need the value of n of A intersection B intersection C. So what is the value? Middle part is known as A intersection B intersection C, because that is common for all the three sets. So that is equal to R. Okay. So next we have, I am writing the formula. N of A union B union C equal to n of A plus n of B plus n of C minus n of A intersection B. Learn this formula now itself. Minus n of A intersection C, otherwise B intersection C, minus n of A intersection C, then plus n of A intersection B intersection C. Just we can apply the value. First value is 200, that is equal to, next value is 125, n of B is 100, then n of C is 150, and minus n of A intersection B is x plus R. Here you have two elements, so inside the bracket you can write x plus R. Okay, then again minus B intersection C value is, again bracket y plus R, then minus n of A intersection C value is Z plus R, then plus this value, that is R. Okay, first we can add all the numbers. 200 equal to, add the numbers, 150, 250, 350, 375. So 375 minus, so I can multiply the minus inside, minus x minus r minus y minus r, just multiplying. Then inside, then minus is at minus r, then plus r. Then we can simplify. See here, plus r minus r. So positive negative sign we can cancel. Then now nothing to cancel there. But already we have some values, whether we can substitute or not, just we can check it. Here we have x, y, z and r. Okay. See, here x, y, z and r. But everything is positive here. But there everything is negative. So for that reason, I am taking the negative sign outside. 200 equal to 375 minus, I am taking the negative sign outside. We need the value x, y, z, r. See, x, y, z, r. So I am separating only these four values. So I am taking the minus common only from this four values. So x plus y plus z plus r. So I return all the four values, then remaining value is minus r. Okay. So now we know the value of x plus y plus z plus r using the equation 1, that is 125. So 200 equal to 375 minus this value is 125 minus r. Okay, 200 equal to, subtract this value, 375 minus 125, 052. So 250 minus r. Now we can bring the numbers in one side. then the letter in another side. 200, I am doing this here, so sign will change, minus 250 equal to minus r. So that implies minus 50 equal to minus r. So negative sign you can change. So what we get, that implies r equal to 50. So we got the value of r now. See this. This is the first part. We have to find out number of members who subscribe exactly to magazine is x plus y plus z. So if we find out x plus y plus z, that is the answer for the first one. Okay, so now we got the value r is 50. So I am telling in this equation 1, if you apply the value of r, so r is known, so we will get x plus y plus z. See, this is also x plus y plus z. We will get the answer for the first one. So for that I am using 1. See, apply r equal to 50 in equation 1. So 1 implies x plus y plus z plus r, there we have the value 50. So plus 50 equal to 125. 125. So that implies x plus y plus z equal to 125 minus 50. So that is equal to 75. That means x plus y plus z equal to 75. So what is x plus y plus z? See, number of members who subscribe exactly to magazine. So first part we completed. So we can write number of members who subscribe exactly to magazine equal to 75. Okay, using this one we found that first part. Next we can find out the second part, that is number of members who subscribe only one magazine. You know, that is a plus b plus c. The meaning is, if we find out the a plus b plus c, that is our answer. See, already we know x plus y plus z plus r. Okay, also we know the total. Using that, using Venn diagram, we are going to find out the values. Actually, when we add all the values inside that Venn diagram, we will get the total value. Total is 200. We know that. The question that is given, total is 200. So listen, from Venn diagram. So when we add everything, that is equal to total. So I can write as a plus b plus c plus x plus y plus z plus r equal to 200. We know that. Already we know the value x plus y plus z plus r. See, x plus y plus z plus r equal to 125. Just we can substitute here. So a plus b plus c plus this value, just we know that 125 equal to 200. So a plus b plus c equal to 200 minus 125. So when you subtract a plus b plus c equal to, you will get the answer as 75. So it is a plus b plus c equal to 75. What is a plus b plus c? Number of members who subscribe only one magazine is a plus b plus c. That we found, that is 75. So that we found that second value also. That implies number of members who subscribe only one magazine equal to 75. So we found the both. Okay. Exercise 1.6, 13th question. In a class of 50 students, each one come to school by bus or by bicycle or on foot. 25 by bus, 20 by bicycle, 30 on foot, and 10 students by all the three. Now, how many students come to school exactly by two modes of transport? So, first we can give the name for the set. Let A, B, C represent the set of students who come to school by bus, by bicycle and foot respectively. Also, we can name this is A, B, C. Okay. See the question. In the class of 50 students, so total number of students is 50. So we can take that as N of A union B union C equal to 50 students. Next, what is given? 25 by bus. So those who are coming by bus, we can take that is 25. So bus is set A. So N of A equal to 25. Next, that is given 20 by bicycle. So N of B equal to 20. Next, 30 on foot. So N of C equal to 30. Also given 10 students by all the three. Okay. So N of A intersection B intersection C equal to 10. So we can mention this in Venn diagram. So 10 you can return here. Okay. So we have to find out how many students come to school exactly by two mode of transport. So exactly two mode. So exactly two mode means you have to find out this part and this part. So I can take A, B, C. So if we find A plus B plus C, that is our answer, because in the question they ask how many students come to school exactly by two mode of transport. So exactly meaning is A, B and C. So if we get the answer A plus B plus C, that is our answer. So see, we know one formula, N of A union B union C equal to N of A plus N of B plus N of C minus N of A intersection B minus N of A intersection B intersection C, then minus N of A intersection C plus N of A intersection B intersection C. So thus we can apply the value. See the values. So N of A union B union C is there. That is 50 equal to N of A value is 25 plus N of B value is 20 plus N of C value is 30, then minus, we don't know the values, you can write here let N of A intersection B. See the Venn diagram. So A intersection B. So it is A, B. Intersection part is A plus 10. Then we can write B intersection. N of B intersection C equal to same. This is B, this is C. Intersection part is both. So C plus 10. The next one is n of A intersection C. It is C. So A intersection C part is this part, B and 10. So can write B plus 10. Okay. So now we can apply the values here. N of A intersection B is A minus A plus 10. So put this in bracket because this minus is common for the both term. Again minus B intersection C is C plus 10. Again minus A intersection C is B plus 10. Also another part plus N of A intersection B intersection C is 10. Okay, we can add now 50 equal to, add the numbers 20 plus 30, 50 plus 10, 60, 70, 85. So we got 85. Then we can multiply the minus inside this. So minus A, minus 10, minus C, minus 10, then this part. Minus B, minus 10. Again add all the numbers. 85 minus 10, 20, 30. So because all the 10 have a negative symbol. So I put negative symbol and add the numbers 30. And remaining, write the remaining words, letters. Minus A, minus B, minus C. Okay. Then subtract it. You will get 55. So already 50 is here. Then minus A minus B minus C. So bring the number next side. This is 50. Sorry, 50. So 50 minus 55 equal to minus. I took the minus common. So minus A plus B plus C. The sign will change. So now that implies subtract it, you will get minus 5. So minus 5 equal to minus A plus B plus C. So you can write A plus B plus C equal to 5. This is your answer. Okay. Because in the question they ask, how many students come to school exactly by 2 mode of transport? So exactly meaning is A, exactly 2 vehicles, bus and bicycle. B, exactly 2 vehicles, bus and foot. Then exactly C vehicle, that is bicycle and foot. Okay, so A plus B plus C equal to 5.